In this video, we'll look into how we can select objects in Affinity in terms of its layers or different properties. So in order to make the selection, first of all, navigate to the Layers menu item, hover over Select, and then navigate to the layers if you want to make the selection through layers, or same if you want to select objects which have similar properties. So if we navigate or hover over layers, then you can see that we can make the selection through text, through curves, through shapes, artboards, different object types, through images and pixels, and more. However, in this case, I'll particularly show you how we can make selection through properties. So let's say in our case, we want to select this particular object that has a color blue with all the other objects. That is, for example, let's say we want to select all the objects that has a color blue at the same time. Then what we can do is we can navigate to the layer menu item, navigate to select, and then below we can navigate to same. And as you can see that here we have different options. As we want to select all the objects that has the same fill color, we can simply click on fill color, and now you can see that it has selected all the objects that has blue colors filled in it. And as we move, you can see now that we can move only the objects filled with blue colors. Similarly, there are many other properties that we can select the same object by. And the next thing that I want to mention here is that if we do not click on any object, or if we do not select any object and navigate to the layers menu item and then navigate to select and again to the same, then you can see here that our fill color, stroke color, and other properties will not be active. That's because we need to select a particular object which has different properties, and this will allow and then activate this particular properties where we can make the selection of different objects that has different properties like fill color, stroke color, transparency, blend mode, and more. So I hope you understand the concept in this particular video about how to select different objects or layers by its properties as well as layers in Affinity. If you find this video helpful, please press the like button, and in order to know more about tips and tricks about Affinity, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next video.